Hi viewers, today I will be telling you about the HTML sitemap and why it is important for SEO. Hello everyone, I Ritik Lalwani welcome you all on In-House Code Editor YouTube channel. Basically, there are two main types of sitemap, HTML and XML. What is HTML sitemap? An HTML sitemap includes every page of your website. Think of it as a table of contents. While a simple sitemap can be an unorganized list of pages, but that is not recommended. User should be able to find and navigate to the content which is looking for. Ideally, user should be able to find the content they need through your navigation. However, it is best to organize your HTML sitemap as it is a directory of your site. Benefits of HTML sitemap. The search engine spiders prioritize XML sitemap for fast crawling. Now you might wonder, why bother HTML sitemap? After all, the search engine determines how and if the page is indexed and ranked. However, don't forget, Google has a factor in user-friendliness while ranking your website. By showing the search engine giants your HTML sitemap, you can demonstrate your user-friendliness functionality. Aside from making your website more user-friendly, the HTML sitemap has other benefits. The first, organize large website. The sitemap essentially serves as a directory for all the web pages, allowing user to quickly find what they are looking for. Second, make it easier for search engine to categorize your content. An XML sitemap is a list of links, but a well-organized HTML sitemap helps crawler to understand which pages are more important. Third, find internal linking opportunities. Your sitemaps allow you to quickly identify internal links, which is also critical to improving SEO. Fourth, identify areas to improve site navigation. You can use sitemap to see how you can improve your website overall navigation. It can be handy if you have an old site which have more archive content and that is not well organized. How to make an HTML sitemap? It is very easy to create a sitemap, and for that you don't have to be a coding expert. There are two ways to create an HTML sitemap: by using CMS plugin or manually. Whichever option you choose. Once your sitemap is completed, submit your sitemap to Google Search Console for indexing and input your domain and verify your ownership as directed by Google. You can then access Google Search Console dashboard. On the left hand side, you can see a crawl section. Click on Sitemaps and add test sitemaps. The tool will flag any error. Once they are fixed, click on Submit and Google will ensure indexing your website. I hope the things we have discussed till now must have brought some insightful knowledge to you. Like the video and subscribe our channel and keep in touch with us for more such videos.